Welcome to this tutorial on GoHenry Parent Account, a comprehensive guide to help you understand the concept and its features. GoHenry is a prepaid debit card and mobile app designed for kids and teens to learn about money management, with a parent account that allows you to monitor and control their spending. First, let's start with the basics. The GoHenry Parent Account is a separate account that parents can use to manage their child's GoHenry account. This account allows you to load money onto your child's card, set spending limits, and monitor their transactions in real time. To get started, you will need to create a GoHenry Parent Account, which can be done online or through the mobile app. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you can add your child's account and start managing their money. One of the key features of the GoHenry Parent Account is the ability to set spending limits. You can set daily or weekly spending limits for your child, and you can also set limits for specific merchants or categories. For example, you can set a limit of $10 per day for your child to spend on snacks or $20 per week for entertainment. Another important feature of the GoHenry Parent Account is the ability to monitor transactions in real time. You can see exactly where and when your child is spending their money, and you can also receive notifications when they make a purchase. This allows you to have complete control over your child's spending and to teach them about responsible money management. In addition to these features, the GoHenry Parent Account also allows you to load money onto your child's card, set savings goals, and earn rewards. You can also use the app to teach your child about budgeting and financial literacy, with features such as budgeting tools and financial education resources. Best practices for using the GoHenry Parent Account include setting clear spending limits and monitoring transactions regularly. You should also take the time to talk to your child about responsible money management and teach them about the importance of saving and budgeting. By following these best practices, you can help your child develop healthy financial habits that will last a lifetime. In conclusion, the GoHenry Parent Account is a powerful tool for teaching kids and teens about money management. With features such as spending limits, transaction monitoring, and savings goals, you can help your child develop responsible financial habits and a strong understanding of personal finance. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the GoHenry Parent Account effectively, you can give your child the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in today's financial world.